Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. Not exactly a tutorial, I mean you could call it that. Just something that you get to see step by step of how I do makeup, do my art. It's also something really fun for me, really inspiring, really challenging, and that's the perfect word for it. It's really challenging and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting off by putting primer onto my lids. And now I'm putting on my transition color onto my crease. Not being too shy, making a mess, because I will be going over it with this smoky black right onto my lids and blending it. Now I'm taking that same crease color and putting it under my eyeline. And I'm taking that smoky black and carefully putting it as if it were eyeliner onto my lash line. And now I'm blending. It's real hard. So I was actually gaining a massive headache by doing this side eye just to draw in that spider. So I took a mirror and was facing another mirror and was drawing on the outline of my spider. And to outline my spider, all I'm using is a black gel liner. So for this part, you could pretty much use anything you have, even paint, face paint. I just use my eye primer, which is white, just to manipulate the way light would hit on that spider's leg. Now I'm applying Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in Vixen. I travel